Hello, I'm Shiva, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Dallas. Today, I'm going to show you how to create event subscriptions for maintenance windows of Amazon Relational Database Service and Amazon Redshift clusters using the AWS Management Console. Let's get started. Amazon RDS. As you can see, I've already logged into the AWS Management Console. Next, navigate to the Amazon RDS console. Choose Event Subscriptions from the navigation pane. Choose Create Event Subscription button. The Create Event Subscription window appears. Complete the following. Name. Enter a name for this subscription. Here, I am using Test as the name of my subscription. Send notifications to. If you already created an Amazon SNS topic, select the ARN radio button and then select the ARN to send notifications to. If you don't have an existing subscription or if you don't want to use any existing topic, then select New Email Topic. For a new email topic, enter a name for the topic and then enter the email addresses of the recipients that you want to send the notifications to. Here, I'm using topic_1 as the name of my topic and example as my email address. Source. Select the source type where this subscription should consume events from. Here, choose Instances. Instances to include. To enable notifications for your RDS instances, choose All Instances. To enable for a specific DB instance, choose Select Specific Instances and then select the instance of your choice from the drop-down. Here, I'll choose a specific instance. Event categories to include. To include all events, select All Event Categories. To choose a specific event, choose Select Specific Event Categories. The following are the event categories available: Availability, Backup, Creation, Deletion, Failover, and Maintenance. Select Maintenance from the drop-down list. Now choose Create button. When the event subscription is created, you'll receive an email asking to confirm this subscription. Opening the link confirms this subscription. When you do this, you'll be redirected to a page with the confirmation message for your subscription. To unsubscribe this notification, choose the link, click here to unsubscribe. Amazon Redshift. To enable event notifications for Amazon Redshift, navigate to the Amazon Redshift console. Choose Events from the navigation pane. Choose Event Subscriptions and choose Create Event Subscription button. The Create Event Subscription window appears. Name. Enter a name for the event subscription. Here, I am entering Test as the name of my subscription. In the Subscription Type section, under Source Type, choose Cluster. To enable notifications for all Amazon Redshift clusters in this region, select For All Clusters. To enable for specific clusters, choose Select Cluster. Choose your cluster from the list of clusters. Select any category filter from the list. Here, I am selecting Management. From Severity, choose From Error or Info or Error. To preview the subscribed actions, choose Preview Subscribed Events. In the Subscriptions Action section, if you already have an SNS topic, choose an existing SNS topic. If you don't want to use an existing topic or if you don't have one already, then choose Create a new SNS topic. Enter a name for the SNS topic and then choose Create Topic button to create an SNS topic. Here I am choosing Test_topic as the name of my SNS topic. Leave the subscription activation as it is. Choose Create Event Subscription button. When the event notification is created, you'll receive notifications with Redshift-event-2003 for Amazon Redshift maintenance in progress and Redshift-event-2004 for Amazon Redshift maintenance that is complete. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.